Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your project management in Asana for client results, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the project you want to update for your client. Review the project overview to assess current progress and tasks. Identify any tasks that are overdue or pending action. Communicate with your team to gather status updates on outstanding tasks. Select the tasks that require updates and check the assignee's progress. Update task descriptions if any changes or additional details are necessary. Adjust due dates based on project timelines and client expectations. Add any new tasks that are required to meet client needs. Reprioritize tasks to ensure alignment with project goals. Use custom fields to highlight key metrics and priorities for the client. Ensure all task dependencies are clear and up to date. Make sure all project comments and discussions are insightful and relevant. Share the updated project status with your team for transparency. Export the project report if necessary for client meetings. Schedule regular check-ins with your team to monitor ongoing progress. Communicate any significant updates or changes to the client promptly. Revisit the project timeline regularly to ensure it stays on track. Encourage your team to provide continuous feedback on the project management process. Reflect on the overall project performance and identify areas for improvement. Implement changes based on feedback for future project management best practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.